Okay, so as we talked about with the last video, we still got the dragy giveaway going. So you get yourself a brand new free dragy, which I think they retail at like $150. And to enter, all you guys got to do to win is just be subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, which is BuffyCLK500. And just put a comment and a like. And every comment and like, as long as you subscribe and so on and so forth, is going to be an entry. And then every time you buy a shirt, it'll be, I think I said 10 entries. So, enjoy the video, guys. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, last video, we had the E55, we were trying to get it all ready for the drag strip, and then I was going to show you the drag strip. It's been about, I think, 2-3 weeks now of me trying to go to the drag strip on Sunday after I get out of work. And as you can see behind me, yep, it's raining. So, no drag strip today. But what I'm going to do, since I'm a little bit bored, we're going to do some stuff to the death cart. So, I already pulled the bumper off. We're going to see if we can drop some more weight of it. Also, what I did, I went and picked up a few more nitrous bottles. So now I got one nitrous, Nitro Express with their cool Lightning 500. So that one's supposed to be really, really easy to flow. It's on a better angle. I don't know if you guys can even see, compared to my other Zex. And then also in the ML, which is over there, I got another Zex bottle. Now I got 3 nitrous bottles, 10 pounds. So this way I could fill them up, and they're going to last a lot longer, because it is getting pretty addictive hitting that nitrous with this death cart. So today, we're going to try to drop some LBs out of this, just out of the front, and just see what we can spare, really. Just because it's a rainy day, and I just want to start knocking something out. Alright, so what I'm looking to cut away is, if I could, delete this whole bumper now, and then cut some of this part of the front end out. Make sure I got mounts for all this stuff. Maybe modify the intake a little bit. Clean up all this like crap wiring over there to drop like a little bit of ounce or two and everything. And then I might weld up a bar right there. I'm gonna see what I got. I got a lot of extra like spare piping and spare tubing, so we're gonna see, make sure it looks kind of cool. And then maybe in here, see if I could cut some of this stuff out. Just try to, like, I guess, sawzall, hack away whatever I don't need and what people won't see to drop some more weight off the front. Alright, I pulled off a lot of the accessories, the headlamps, all that stuff, the horn, my cool little Mercedes emblem. That's all gone right now, so I'm planning on just cutting right there, cut right there, cut that off, and then remove this. That whole front end should come right off. Clean it all up, see what it looks like. Alright, so we got quite a bit of stuff cut all out. Not bad, not bad. Put the headlights up there. I know it looks a little bit weird right now, but hopefully it'll all look good when it comes together. We'll see. But I cut out the side pieces that went right here. I might delete that pump too. A couple of little pieces over there. That huge piece over there. Keep going. Alright. I found a piece in my garage. It's about 3 feet. I weighed it. It weighs about 2 pounds. Little angle. And then so I already grinded up and prepped the surface. I gotta kind of seal that up, weld that one up, and then bam. And then all the accessories that mount onto it the headlights will go right to it. Bam, bam, bam. Looks pretty kosher. Let's keep going. All right, next we got all this crap ripped up. We're going to clean up the garage really quick, and then while the paint's drying over there, we'll clean all this up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like, oh, wait. Well, let's see how much I lost. So I am right now, like 168. And with everything on me, I'm 187. So yeah, I did cut my hair. I showered and everything. As I was cleaning up, it got really dirty, so I just weighed everything. So I'm 168 roughly. All that stuff right there was basically a 20-pound loss. I lost out of the nose. There was like 1 or 2 other things I didn't weigh just because I couldn't fit them on there. They weighed about like 2 pounds roughly, like miscellaneous bolts and a couple other brackets. So we lost 20 pounds off the nose because the piece I put on there was roughly not even 3 pounds. So pretty good loss. Alright, so I just took it for a nice little test drive. I definitely feel with it like 90 degrees outside, it feels like a weight transfer is like a hootenanny lot better. Like definitely I'm getting a little bit more grip, and you can feel the front end lifting off a lot more. So pretty nice. But now I'm at Publix, taking this out to do some daily stuff, running some errands and all that stuff. Neighborhood Publix. Got my daily shopping done in the death cart. Not a bad little daily. No one stole anything out of it at a good old Lowe's now. So I'm gonna hop back in and head home. Made it home. Yeah. Made it home. So far the bumper, I probably pulled a little too close. It didn't fall off. Everything motor seems to be doing good. Ha-cha-cha. That's pretty effing hot with 90 degrees out. And any of my groceries fall out. Let's see. I think the muffins already came out of the bag when I was at Lowe's, but pretty nice. Hot as hitting it outside today. Maybe I'll do some work on the E55, but not bad for a little daily. All right, next we're gonna do part of the noise. I'm trying to cool down the E55 because we're doing some testing on that car. But I'm gonna rip off these wheels, pull them off, and see how easy it is to get to this rear bumper and rip this rear bumper off and see if we could drop a couple LBs or even just remove this rear bumper and see if it looks cool or stupid. Alright, so to take this bumper off, I got a crappy view. Alright, so to take this bumper off, it's gonna be one bolt right meow. And then to get this bolt, you gotta go into, right, there's gonna be the hole, and then you're gonna have one bolt right, let me get my light. Right around meow, right meow. I'm gonna show you on the other side. You're gonna go with step one, remove wheel. I think I got lighting issues. Oh well, remove wheel. Handy dandy 17. Slicks are removed. Next, this bolt right here, which is a 10, and then you're gonna right on the top, you're gonna have another 10. So just go and take your, I don't know if I can do this with one in hand. Yeah. Nope, I gotta put the wrench in there. Hold on. All right, you get your 10 out, and you can push that right through if you want. There you go, nice little 10, and then you hop. Danny Harper free light. And you're gonna go right. Yeah, that's in. Yeah, get that out. And then you need your last one, which is gonna be right. There we go. See how I showed you on the other side? This is where actually bolts don't attach. So get over there, Mr. Light. Right? Bing! So to do that, I use a off-brand little, what is this called? A H-Ron, some hootenanny stuff, and then you just go boop right there. Let me just get a socket on there. And this bumper's gonna fall right on my leg. And bam! No rear bumper on this. Okay, then we got this, yeah. A couple wires, a couple things going to it. Let's see where this effing goes. Let me get the light. Yeah! Goes right to that, which I don't even know. This is not even plugged in anything. This is just like a strap just to hold it up. Bam, off. How's that look? Alright. I gotta put that taillight back in, but not the biggest fan. Maybe if I clean it all up and cut more stuff away, it'll look cooler. But we'll see. right, so this way the bumper. The bumper is roughly 17 pounds on the rear, which I'm not really trying to lose weight out of the rear. Just a little bit. But it's still weight, and it's at like the worst possible area to lose weight because it's at low back where I want all the weight to travel. But still, 17 pounds and 17 pounds. And let me see how it looks right now. All right, also what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of these roll bars. Cause yeah, they're really nice. They're wrapped in leather, really cool. But I did a couple tests, and my headline is above there. So if I crash or roll over, they're doing absolutely nothing because I sit so effing high up. So I'm gonna get rid of those, and eventually I am gonna build an actual exo cage. But right now that's just wasted weight. So we're gonna drip that out, get some more weight. We'll see how much they weigh. But it should be really effing easy. I never pulled these out before, but it looks like it's just 2 bolts, one there, and then one right, yeah. So we'll see what they are. All right, we're losing some light, but I just gave it a quick little clean off, sprayed it a little bit. It's not that bad. I definitely gotta maybe modify my exhaust tip to go up a little bit higher to look a little cleaner. But I got the roll bars off, so we'll see how much they weigh. Oh, they're not light, I can tell you that. We don't need much. Try to do the old-fashioned. See what I weigh, see what they weigh. Looks like I dropped an LB or two, 162 in the last like 4 or 5 hours of no eating, no pooping. So I'm at so I was at 162 and 170 with one. So like 8-9 pounds each. So that should be 16 pounds with those, and it was actually 8 bolts. So and one other bracket that came off with it. So just say 17 pounds with the roll bars, and about with brackets and everything, it was another like 17-18 pounds with the rear bumper. So we dropped all that weight off the rear. Now I'm gonna move the license plate. We're gonna throw the license plate like right in the center over there, so it looks a little bit more official. Maybe recoat that tailpipe area because before you couldn't see it. 90% sure soon I'm gonna start cutting all this stuff away, but we're just doing it step by step, just in case I don't like something. Right now, all this stuff I could put right hootenanny back, so no big effing deal. But we're gonna throw that plate on there, let the car set a little bit, and see how low it sits. And I think we'll be pretty cool. All right, so I did knock out a few other things. I did kind of repaint that tip and all that stuff. I don't know if it looks that cool in this angle or anything like that, but the back end is definitely, like in person, looks so much hootenanny more cleaner. I do like it a lot. I definitely want to hack out that spare wheel well, but it's getting hootenanny late. I'm doing 2 or 3 things on the E55 right now, getting ready for in a couple of days. I actually, no matter what, I scheduled 3 days to go to the drag strip, and I talked to the guys, if I have to do a private track day, I'm going to do it with a few of my cars. So I did talk to a few people. I got things lined up. So I want to get this all ready right now. But, so we're pretty effing late. Like it's pitch hootenanny black outside right now. So I got the plate lined up. I got that painted. I got a couple of things rigmarole. But I'm liking it. I'm not hating it. Not hating it. You could definitely see where like some of the paint just from the copper is like worn away or whatever. But I will get this car repainted at one point and clean everything else out. But not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, so today we did a lot of death cart stuff, which was pretty nice. In between doing all this stuff, I was also smoking some meat. It's almost ready. Got some nice meat going on in there. Whew. Puff, puff, puff. So I'm going to do math really quick in my head. So today we did the front bumper, which we dropped 15 pounds off just the bumper. And then I think it was roughly like another, I'm going to have to recheck, but I think it was another 15 pounds off of the braces and all the metal. So 30 pounds there, then we add 3 pounds to the other thing. So we're at roughly 27 pounds up front. And on the rear, it was another, I want to say another 17 pounds off the bumper. And then another, if I looked at the video, it was 10 pounds each roll bar. So there's 20 plus 17, which is 37 off the rear, which you don't really want to lose weight on the rear. So I think total we lost roughly, because my scale is a little bit off, roughly about 60 pounds off the whole car. Way front in the nose, which is great weight, and way rear on the ass end, which is not great weight, but still. So we keep dropping this car down. Hopefully, we'll get it really hootenanny late, and this car definitely right now, ever since I dropped the front rate, you can feel it transfer weight so much better. So I'm really happy with the car. nothing wrong with it right now. So far running good. I'm still adjusting the air pressure and all that stuff. And the new nitrous bottle, I haven't tested it yet, but it's supposed to hit a lot effing harder. So we're just going to keep it at 100 shot, and then we are going to jump it up to 125 very effing soon, because right now the tranny is doing good. I mean, knock on wood, the effing diff is and the engine, everything's going really well. So we're going to keep going with that, get some really good numbers, and hopefully take it to the track soon. Or I have a couple people who are calling me out, a couple Mustangs and a couple things like that, and hopefully we'll run them and have a good time. All right, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. At ND72 for subscribing, and also going to hit me up on Instagram. It's BuffyCLK500, and have a great day, guys.
Like bad guys. Hey yo, boo, watch you like bad guys. Showing that bad guy show, man.